Right? Objects accessing properties. There are two ways we can access an object's property. Let's explore the first way. Dot notation. You use dot notation to access the properties and methods of built-in objects and data instances. Like, for instance, string hello.length returns 5. With property dot notation, we write the object's name followed by the dot operator and then the property name for the key. Let spaceship equal key value pair home planet with a value of Earth, string Earth, key value pair color with a pair of silver, string silver. So spaceship.homeplanet will return Earth, spaceship.color will return silver. If we try to access a property that does not exist on that object, undefined will be returned. So spaceship.favorite ice cream returns undefined because we did not write favorite ice cream as a key value pair up here. So let's get some more practice using dot notation on an object. So if we wait for my CodeCademy to reconnect, I will get started on the first task. Let's go ahead and read it. It's called, it will tell us to do, let's use the dot operator to access the value of num crew from the spaceship object in the code editor. Create a variable crew count and assign the spaceship's num crew property to it. Alright, so as you can see, so num crew and our result should be 5 when we apply our directions. So create a variable crew count. So you go constant. You can use constant, let, variable. Like for instance, this is variable, so it should work anyway. So we can use constant. We can use variable. We can use let. Sometimes you don't even have to do any of these. So variable crew count equals spaceships, and spaceship is all lowercase. So you can see up here. And dot num crew, and we end that operation with a semicolon, and we should get 5 in return. Oh well, actually, we should not get nothing in return because we did not console.log it. Alright. Again, use the dot operator, create a variable named planet array, and assign the spaceship's flight path property to it. So again, for instance, I will use constant this time, and constant planet array will equal spaceship flight path. So from our previous exercises, or I think it's the upcoming exercise, you can use several different methods. Flight path. We end that operation with a semicolon. Let's see if it'll accept it. If not, we'll just change it to the regular. Flight path is not defined. Oh. Well, I should tell you this time. Actually, what was probably missing was I need to write it in a string because I think it'll tell us on one of the next exercises. It's taking a while for my return to be, or for it to log it. And I should get a check mark. What? Create a variable planet array. It's not spaceship. So it might be being picky right now. Let's just change that. Because you saw we had no syntax error return, so it's probably being picky. And it's one, like it says, create a variable if you want to write your planet. Okay, so like that. Try the might not. What? Oh, you're a tricky thing, ain't you? Oh, you wanna know why? I am silly me. I misspelled flight. And now that I fix that, I should get a go to my next slide. You just gotta be real careful with how you're spelling these things. I'm sitting here like, what?